Every night I bingy, drum shake the mountainside, thunder roll across creation wide. Lightning split the heavens like a sword of light. Rastafari warrior, rise tonight.
Rise, rise.
Warrior, warrior, priestly order.
Order, order.
Order, order. Righteous warrior, priestly order, stand firm and tight. Jah wisdom guide me, me nah stumble, me nah fight. Lion heart courage, when Babylon call. Thunder and lightning, hear the ancient drum ball. High frequency mindset, greatness in on me side. Discipline and purpose, keep the vision bright. Jah word and Jah works bring balance to the fight. Righteous warrior march through the darkest night. Born fi conquer fear, born fi walking truth. Knowledge from the elders teach the strength of youth. Not by greed alone, nor by worldly fame, but by wisdom, discipline and honor to Jah name. African drum beat deep within the soul. Every heartbeat moving toward a greater goal. Priestly meditation, keep the spirit whole. Warrior determination, help me reach control. Lightning flash, reveal the hidden road. Thunder voice remind me, bear the righteous load. Every lesson learned become a precious code. Every sacrifice become a stronger mode. Mind rich first before the wealth arrive. Purpose and integrity keep the dream alive. Focus like an eagle when it start to dive. Every challenge tears become a chance to thrive. Boom drum sound from the mountain high. Ancient wisdom never fade nor die. Jah children lift the banner to the sky. Priests and warriors unify. Righteous warrior, priestly order, stand firm and tall. Jah wisdom guide me, me nah stumble, me nah fall. Lion heart courage, when Babylon call. Thunder and lightning, hear the ancient drum ball. High frequency mindset, greatness in a me side. Discipline and purpose keep the vision bright. Jah word and Jah works bring balance to the fight. Righteous warrior march through the darkest night. Mindset, royal vision, global elevation mode. Every principle me learn become another road. Building from the foundation, carrying the sacred load. Wide in I have been the rhythm, shake the whole abode. No distraction can derail the mission. Faith and preparation create precision. Wisdom over impulse, strategic decision. Seeing abundance through spiritual vision. Thunder in the baseline, lightning in the flow. Ancient kings and prophets teach the way we grow. Planting seeds of greatness everywhere me go. Positive vibration make the blessings overflow. Warrior defend truth, priest preserve the light. One protect the people, one reveal the sight. Together from the balance of the sacred right. Marching toward the future through the longest night. Boom, boom, boom.
Hear the drum.
Hear the drum down. See the lightning. Jah wisdom, see the lightning. Jah power. Warrior, warrior. Warrior. Warrior, warrior. Priestly order teach humility and grace. Warrior spirit stand courageous in its place. Both must work together in the human race. Guided by the Creator's loving embrace. Not destruction but protection of the way. Not confusion but illumination every day. Building future kingdoms through the words we say. Planting seeds of truth that forever stay. When the storm clouds gather and the winds arise, keep your focus steady, keep your spirit wise. Every obstacle become a new disguise for another blessing waiting in the skies. Righteous warrior, priestly order, stand firm and tall. Jah wisdom guide me, me nah stumble, me nah fall. Lion true. The priest preserve the wisdom. Together, them walk one path, one purpose, one vision.